Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and landandairphotos.com. I can't believe 2018 is here. The new year just kind of snuck up on me. I've been offline for a while because I had some pretty radical oral surgery. I ended up with a camera-ready smile, but I've spent the last several weeks just relearning how to talk. In spite of that, it's been a good year for this channel. I published more videos in 2017 than I did in 2016, and my channel has more than doubled in views and subscribers, which I'm very excited about. I also got the chance to fly with some of you guys this year, which was great, and I got to talk with many of you through my Facebook group. If you haven't signed up for that, follow the link in the description below. Acesdeals.biz became a sponsor for the channel in 2017. I'm very happy about this because Acesdeals is one of the top drone dealers in the country. They have an awesome attitude about customer service, and Peter has been a great friend of this channel. They also give you a discount as a viewer on this channel. Just use the promo code jslap, J-S-L-A-P, on your orders to save on anything you buy. Thank you very much, Acesdeals. I plan to continue the growth of this channel in 2018. I got some great ideas for new videos from the contest I ran in November. If you look at the videos I did this year, you'll see that many of them started as questions from you viewers. I really try to listen to your questions and suggestions, so if you have questions or ideas of videos you want to see, please put them in the comments below. I'll continue my reviews on various drones. I've still got the Phantom 4 Pro, Typhoon H, Autel X-Star Premium. Thanks to Acesdeals, I have a Mavic Platinum to review, and they have committed to sending a Power Egg drone for a review as well. I've got a whole slew of new tutorials to do for the Yuneecs, as well as DJI and all drones in general. I want to do a series on getting your Part 107 license and why you should do this, even if you don't plan to sell your videos. You should get your license, and I'll tell you why. I'll do more drone news videos as well. I don't plan on doing live broadcasts like other channels do, but I'm going to do more videos where I just talk to you. I want to get into more advanced topics like episodes on improving your videos, including great shots you can shoot while flying. I also want to do an episode or two on how to do basic video editing with a free video editor. You can improve your aerial videos with some simple editing techniques, and I want to teach you how to do that using a free program. I also want to feature your videos. I want to do at least one video featuring the best shots from my viewers. It's always fun to share your favorite shots with others. I'll include links to your YouTube channels, so hopefully I can drive more traffic for you as well. Once I figure out how I can arrange for you to send me your video files, we'll do that. 2018 is going to be very busy, and I'm really excited about what's coming. I think I'll cover topics that will help every drone pilot. Here's what you can do for me. If you enjoy my videos and want me to keep putting them out, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button on each video and post those comments and questions. If you share my videos on discussion forums and social media, that's a big help. And I'll ask you to support Acesdeals.biz as well. They have been extremely generous with providing me with drones to review and gifts to give away. Every time you buy from Acesdeals and use that promo code, you support this channel and you save a few bucks yourself. That's it for now. I always end my videos with a thank you for watching because I really do appreciate your giving some of your time to this channel. So thanks for watching, and look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching my video. I've set up a Facebook group to make it easier for us to talk about drones and arrange opportunities to fly together. Follow the link in the description below to sign up for the group. On screen you'll find a playlist with many more tutorial videos on drones, so please check them out. Before you go, be sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel so you know when more videos are released. Thanks for watching.